There are blessings that we sometimes overlook, and today I just wanted to say, let us be grateful. Be very, very grateful. If you have people in your life that are safe, if God has blessed you with safe people, if God has blessed you with safe spaces, life can be very challenging. Some of those challenges can lead us to loneliness. They can lead us to depression. They can lead us to unhealthy habits. They can lead us to self-destruct. They can lead us to destructive habits. And the reason why we would find ourselves in those situations is because we don't have safe people in safe spaces. And if you are blessed, really it is an unmatched blessing, and we ought to be thankful, we ought to be grateful to God for those safe spaces and those safe people in our lives. If you've never had to face life on your own or by yourself, the ups and downs, and you've always had support, you have support, be very, very grateful. Trust me, it really is a blessing unmatched. People go through a lot, and abanye they end up even taking their lives because abanabantu, because maybe the people that surround them are not safe people. They are finding themselves in unsafe spaces when you are not doing well, when you're not well. You cannot even pour your emotions, cannot even pour your pain out because of a fear of being ridiculed by people in your circle, because of a fear of being looked at in a particular way by people. It's sad. So when you are blessed, if you are blessed, remember to thank God. And if you feel good, you don't have this type of circle and spaces, pray that you may attract such into your life. Impilo just becomes yaphileka, lo hambo liyahambeka, when you have people holding your hand, when you have people that you're holding hands with, when you have people that you're bouncing off challenges, when you have people that you can laugh with some of your challenges and some of your pains. It's therapy, you know. It's a beautiful thing, and we just have to be grateful and thank God for those people, and thank God for those spaces, and thank God for that blessing. And I really do pray that if you lack such empilo yakho, that you may attract that. Ezinye izinto, amanye blessings are not material, they're not monetary, but they are priceless, and this is one of them. And remember, nawe that gets to be supported and loved unconditionally without being judged or ridiculed, be the same kind of a blessing to somebody else out there.